Have you ever experienced that moment when chest pain suddenly appears without warning, causing fear and insecurity? I understand how challenging it is to deal with this feeling, which often prevents us from living fully and generates constant worry. But what if I told you there's a solution? Imagine never having to worry about that peace-stealing pain again. You're not alone. Many people go through this, but few know that they can eliminate this pain quickly. Today, I'll show you 3 simple and powerful tips that will help you get rid of chest pain in just 3 days. It's not magic, it's a practical and effective solution. Are you ready to never suffer from this again? Let's get started. Imagine you're in the middle of a peaceful day, perhaps enjoying a coffee or watching your favorite series, when suddenly a sharp pain starts to settle in your chest. It's an odd sensation, almost like someone is squeezing your ribcage with uncomfortable pressure. You might think, what could be happening? Is this serious? Let's explore what might be behind this pain. First, think of your heart as a vital engine that works tirelessly to keep you moving. If this engine starts having issues, perhaps because it's not getting enough oxygen, it may try to alert you. The pain you're feeling in your chest could be one of those warning signs. Imagine the heart waving a red flag, as if saying, "Hey, I need some help here." But the heart isn't the only culprit when it comes to chest pain. Consider the esophagus, the tube that carries food from your mouth to your stomach. Now, imagine you've eaten something very acidic or heavily seasoned. That acid can irritate the esophagus and cause you to feel chest pain that might be mistaken for heart pain. It's as if the esophagus is protesting, saying, "This is burning in here." We can't forget the lungs. They are like balloons inside your chest, helping to distribute oxygen throughout your body. If these balloons are inflamed or if you're dealing with an infection, like pneumonia, you might feel chest pain when you try to breathe. Imagine the feeling of trying to inflate a balloon in a tight space. That pressure and discomfort can be quite similar to what you're experiencing. So, what should you do when this pain appears? Don't wait to see if it will go away on its own. Think of it like a fire alarm. You wouldn't wait for the fire to spread before taking action. Chest pain is a sign that something might be wrong, and the sooner you seek help, the better. A doctor can examine you, determine the exact cause of the pain, and help address the problem before it becomes more serious. Treat your health with the same urgency and care you would use to handle a fire alarm. Considering the urgency of taking care of your heart and addressing chest pain, we've found a solution. Have you ever found yourself worried about your heart health, feeling like, despite all your efforts, you're not doing enough? Imagine if you could follow a clear and simple plan that, in just 30 days, could transform your heart health. Given the challenges of keeping your heart in top shape, I've made my ebook available, 30-Day Heart Health Challenge, 30 Steps to Clean Your Arteries in 30 Days, and you can download it right now from the pinned comment. This 30-day challenge isn't just about superficial changes, it's about ensuring your heart is stronger, your arteries are cleaner, and your life is longer and healthier. These are habits anyone can implement, no matter how busy your routine is. And the best part, these habits can be easily incorporated, becoming a natural part of your daily life. Click on the pinned comment because we have very few copies available and we'll be taking it down soon. Click now and get your ebook. It's crucial that you take care of yourself because many patients don't receive an accurate diagnosis until damage has already occurred, so taking preventive measures at home is essential. Many patients face a serious challenge. They often receive an accurate diagnosis only when the problem has already advanced. This happens because initially, symptoms may be vague or not severe enough to be clearly identified by doctors. In other words, the diagnosis is only confirmed once the problem has caused significant damage. Therefore, it is crucial to take a proactive approach to your health. Waiting until symptoms become alarming can lead to more serious complications and more complex treatments. Instead, it is essential to implement preventive measures in your daily life. Pay attention to your body and the signals it is sending. If you notice recurring symptoms or discomforts, seek a healthcare professional for an evaluation, even if they seem mild. Additionally, healthy habits are fundamental. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help prevent many health issues. Regular physical exercise is another key to keeping your body in good shape and avoiding diseases. Furthermore, do not underestimate the importance of regular medical checkups. These exams help identify potential problems before they become serious. If you have a family history of diseases or pre-existing conditions, follow medical recommendations to monitor your health closely. In summary, do not wait to take care of your health only when you start experiencing pain or discomfort. Investing time and effort in preventive measures can prevent serious problems and significantly improve your quality of life. It's always better to prevent than to remedy. Now we'll reveal the 3 solutions to eliminate chest pain once and for all. But before we continue, I noticed you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. We'll always be bringing content on how to take care of your heart. 1. Consuming garlic is highly recommended. as it improves circulation, reduces cholesterol and blood pressure, alleviating chest pain related to heart problems. Imagine you're in the kitchen, preparing a delicious and healthy meal. You grab a clove of garlic, chop it, and add it to the dish. Besides the incredible aroma that fills the kitchen, you're also giving your heart a true health boost. Garlic is much more than just a flavorful seasoning, it's a powerful ally for your cardiovascular system. Let's explore how it can make a significant difference in your health. Firstly, think of garlic as a great friend to your circulatory system. When you consume garlic, it starts working to improve your blood circulation. Imagine your circulatory system as a complex network of roads and pathways through which your blood travels. Over time, some of these roads can become blocked or congested. Garlic acts as a cleaning agent, helping to ensure that blood flows freely through these pathways. This means that your heart and other organs receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. It is also known for reducing blood cholesterol levels. Think of high cholesterol as ice patches accumulating on roads during winter. These patches can block the flow and cause accidents. Garlic acts as a natural de-icer, helping to melt those patches and keep your arteries clean and unobstructed. With less cholesterol buildup, your risk of developing heart disease decreases. Additionally, garlic plays a crucial role in lowering blood pressure. Imagine your blood pressure as the pressure of gas being released. When the pressure is too high, it can damage blood vessels and the heart. Garlic helps to relax the blood vessels and smooth out this pressure, making blood flow more calm and stable. This not only relieves high blood pressure but also reduces the risk of heart-related issues. So, how can you reap all these benefits? It's simple. Add fresh garlic to your daily meals. You can chop a clove of garlic and mix it into salads, sauces, soups, or even pasta dishes. If you prefer, you can consume garlic in tea or even in supplement form. Any of these options can help improve your cardiovascular health and alleviate chest pain associated with heart problems. In summary, garlic is a simple ingredient with a powerful impact. Incorporating it into your diet is a practical and delicious way to invest in your heart health. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, remember, that little garlic clove is working hard to keep your heart strong and healthy. Let me know in the comments how often you've been experiencing chest pain, and we'll help you out. 2. Acid reflux causes chest pain, but there are tips and foods that can improve it. Acid reflux is a condition that can cause chest pain, often confused with heart problems. This reflux occurs when stomach acid returns to the esophagus, causing a burning sensation and discomfort. To help alleviate acid reflux symptoms, it's essential to adjust your diet. Here are some effective strategies you can follow. Consume almonds. Almonds are an excellent food for those who suffer from acid reflux. They have an alkalizing effect on the stomach, helping to neutralize gastric acid. Additionally, they are rich in proteins and healthy fats, which can help stabilize stomach pH and reduce acid production. It's recommended to eat a handful of almonds after meals to help minimize symptoms. Include chicken and fish in your diet. Chicken and fish are lean proteins that are easier to digest and less likely to cause acid reflux compared to fattier meats. These foods provide essential nutrients without overloading the digestive system. It's best to prepare chicken and fish simply, such as grilling or baking, avoiding strong seasonings and frying, which can worsen reflux. Avoid acidic foods. Certain foods are known to aggravate acid reflux and should be avoided. Tomatoes and peppers, for example, are highly acidic and can increase stomach acid production and irritate the esophagus. It's better to replace tomatoes and peppers with less acidic options, such as carrots, zucchini, and cucumbers, to reduce the risk of reflux. In addition to the foods you eat, there are practices you can adopt to avoid chest pain. One of them is not forgetting to grab your digital book, 30-Day Heart Health Challenge, 30 Steps to Clean Your Arteries in 30 Days. It's crucial that you get it now before the units run out. Another solution to help with your chest pain is opt for less irritating foods. Besides avoiding acidic foods, it's also beneficial to reduce the consumption of foods that can irritate the esophagus and stomach. This includes spicy, fatty, and fried foods, as well as caffeinated and alcoholic beverages. Choosing milder, less irritating foods can help keep acid reflux under control. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Consuming large quantities of food at once can increase pressure in the stomach and contribute to acid reflux. Dividing your meals into smaller portions and eating more frequently throughout the day can help reduce the amount of acid produced and minimize symptoms. Maintain good hydration. Drinking water regularly is important for digestion and overall gastrointestinal health. Water helps dilute gastric acid and facilitates the movement of food through the digestive system, which can help reduce acid reflux. However, avoid drinking large amounts of water during meals, as this can increase pressure in the stomach. Avoid eating before bed. eating too close to bedtime can increase the risk of acid reflux. It's recommended to wait at least 2 to 3 hours after your last meal before lying down. This allows the stomach to partially empty and reduces the likelihood of acid returning to the esophagus while you're lying down. Adopting these dietary practices can significantly help alleviate chest pain caused by acid reflux and improve your quality of life. If symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and additional guidance. I noticed you forgot to leave a like. Show us that you're concerned about your chest pain and leave a like. Third and final solution to resolve chest pain once and for all. Reducing the consumption of foods like green vegetables, bread, and coffee can improve reflux symptoms and consequently relieve chest pain. Imagine you're in the kitchen preparing a healthy meal, but shortly after eating, you start to feel a burning sensation in your chest that becomes bothersome. This discomfort is known as acid reflux, a condition where stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing a painful burning sensation. If you've experienced this, you know how uncomfortable and frustrating it can be. To alleviate these symptoms and improve your quality of life, adjusting your diet can be a crucial step. Let's explore how reducing the consumption of certain foods can make a significant difference. Third and final solution to resolve chest pain. Reducing the consumption of foods like green vegetables, bread, and coffee can improve reflux symptoms and relieve chest pain. Imagine preparing a healthy meal in your kitchen, but soon after eating, you begin to feel a burning sensation in your chest that becomes quite uncomfortable. This discomfort, known as acid reflux, occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing a painful burning feeling. If you've experienced this, you know how frustrating and distressing it can be. Adjusting your diet can be a crucial step to alleviate these symptoms and improve your quality of life. Here's how reducing the consumption of certain foods can make a significant difference. Green vegetables. Let's start with green vegetables. Suppose you love spinach and kale, and you include these vegetables in almost every meal. Although they are packed with nutrients, they can sometimes contribute to acid reflux for certain individuals. The reason is that, in some cases, these vegetables may increase stomach acid production or irritate the esophagus. If you find that green vegetables are exacerbating your symptoms, it might be beneficial to reduce your intake. Consider substituting them with less acidic vegetables like carrots or zucchini. These alternatives can provide similar nutrients without causing discomfort. Bread. Now, think about bread, especially white bread and other refined bakery products. Imagine starting your day with a slice of toast or a sandwich, and shortly afterward, you begin to feel that burning sensation in your chest. Bread can be difficult for some people to digest, and therefore may contribute to reflux. If you find that bread is aggravating your symptoms, consider switching to whole grain breads. Whole grain breads are less processed and contain more fiber, which can aid in digestion and help reduce symptoms. If you still have issues, try replacing bread with other carbohydrates like brown rice or quinoa, which may be easier to digest. Coffee. Next, let's talk about coffee. Picture yourself in the middle of a long afternoon, reaching for a cup of coffee to perk up. However, soon after, you start feeling that familiar burning sensation in your chest. Coffee is known to trigger acid reflux due to its acidity and its potential to relax the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing acid to flow back into the esophagus. If coffee is contributing to your symptoms, consider cutting back or switching to less acidic alternatives. Try herbal teas or decaffeinated coffee as substitutes. These options can help keep your symptoms under control without giving up the pleasure of a warm beverage. Processed and fatty foods. In addition to green vegetables, bread, and coffee, processed and fatty foods can also aggravate acid reflux. Imagine how a fried hamburger or a pack of French fries can make your stomach feel heavy and uncomfortable. These foods can slow down digestion and increase stomach acid production. Reducing your intake of fried and fast foods can make a significant difference. Opt for lighter, healthier meals that are prepared in a wholesome way to alleviate your symptoms. Acidic and carbonated beverages. Don't forget about beverages. Picture yourself enjoying a soda or an orange juice. These drinks, especially the acidic and carbonated ones, can irritate the stomach and worsen acid reflux. Replace these beverages with non-acidic and non-carbonated options like water, herbal teas, or vegetable juices. These alternatives can be gentler on your stomach and help manage your symptoms. Eating habits. Beyond choosing the right foods, how you eat is also important. Imagine you finish a large meal and immediately lie down on the couch. This can increase pressure on the stomach and contribute to acid reflux. Instead, try eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day and avoid lying down right after eating. This simple adjustment can help reduce the frequency and intensity of your symptoms. Making these dietary changes can be a significant step towards relieving chest pain caused by acid reflux. If you continue to experience symptoms, it is always advisable to seek guidance from a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and personalized advice. With these strategies, you can take a major step toward a more comfortable and healthy life. Every practice you can do to improve chest pain and enhance your heart health should be done, right? So go ahead and get the ebook, 30-Day Heart Health Challenge, 30 Steps to Clean Your Arteries in 30 Days. Units are running out, so make sure to get yours now. If chest pain continues and becomes very intense, it is crucial to seek medical help immediately. Persistent and severe chest pain should not be ignored, as it may indicate serious conditions such as heart disease or issues with other vital organs. The intensity and duration of the pain are critical factors that a doctor needs to assess to determine the exact cause. Clinical tests such as electrocardiograms, ECG, stress tests, and other specialized examinations may be necessary to identify the underlying problem and provide an accurate diagnosis. Additionally, chest pain can be associated with various conditions, ranging from cardiac issues like angina or heart attacks to gastrointestinal disorders like acid reflux or even pulmonary problems. Therefore, it's essential for a healthcare professional to evaluate the symptoms thoroughly and in detail. A medical consultation not only helps identify the cause of the pain but also allows for the appropriate treatment to begin as soon as possible. This may include medications, lifestyle changes, specific therapies, or other medical interventions as needed. Early intervention can be crucial in preventing serious complications and improving your quality of life. So, if you experience persistent and intense chest pain, do not wait for symptoms to worsen. Seek medical help without delay to ensure you receive the necessary and appropriate care. If you found this video informative and helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content on health and wellness. Don't forget to like the video and share it with friends and family so they can benefit from this important information as well. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.